The instruction is it should be shared to the first 3 couples that showed up. And good enough, we'll have a register. So, some people are getting more attention now than others. The first on my list, please come forward. Mr. and Mrs. Okubane will be very glad. 10,000 naira for them. Count will be sure they complete. Congratulations. Congrats. Alright, I have another set here. Mr. and Mrs. Emek. Thank you. And next to them is Mr. and Mrs. Nnamdi Okolo. On behalf of Rescue Marriage and Relationship Initiative, I want to thank the donors. Thank you very much for coming. The reason why this was sent to them is because they were the couples that came early. We have our register. So although there is one couple that would have been, there before them, but they were disqualified. That they are part of us, not about ourselves. Okay.